Welcome along to your forecast for Scotland for this weekend. Plenty going on. Some places having a fine and sunny weekend, others having a fairly soggy one, particularly so on Saturday. A few scattered showers across the northeast during Friday evening, but the more persistent rain is in the west. Some heavy bursts of rain here. And once that's set in, it could last well into the weekend. It may ease a little through the early hours, but some places keeping that rain going into Saturday morning. Many other parts of the country will become dry. Notice the winds picking up, the southeasterly winds becoming stronger as we go through the nighttime periods. That combination of warmer air and that brisk wind will make for a much warmer night than the past few. Temperatures mostly holding up in double figures. We might drop down to 9 or 10 Celsius through some sheltered glens across the Western Highlands, but for most towns and cities we're going to stay in the teens. So as I said, really quite a warm start to Saturday. And for most it'll be a dry and a bright start as well. There'll always be some cloud around across central and eastern parts, but generally fine with some sunny spells. But down across the southwest, further outbreaks of rain are likely. And again, we're going to see pulses of rain just coming up throughout the day. So it could be quite a wet day in some spots. You may get several hours of rain, and at times, you can tell here by the bright colours, that rain could be on the heavy side. Further north, we may just see 1 or 2 showers, but they should tend to zip through on the fairly brisk breeze. Much of Aberdeenshire, Caithness, Sutherland, seeing hazy sunshine and a cracking day. Yes, it'll be quite breezy, but sunny spells across Shetland and Orkney. Let's focus in, though, on the southwest, because there is the possibility of some problems from this rainfall. Certainly, it's going to be pretty grim on the roads with a lot of spray and surface water around. A small chance we could even see some flooding. 50-60 millimetres of rain through the day likely. And in some spots, we may even see 80 to 100 millimetres of rain, mostly over hills. But that rain, as I say, could cause a little bit of disruption. Certainly, the potential for some pretty grim conditions. A lot of spray and surface water on the roads. Away from the southwest, though, we'll see, as I say, some hazy sunshine, and even with the wet weather in the southwest, there'll be some drier spells, and temperatures here up to 20 degrees Celsius. We may get up to 22 in Edinburgh, and 22, 23 possible across parts of the Northern Highlands, where it stays generally dry. But there will be that brisk breeze blowing across from the east coast, making it feel a little fresher here. And we will then, I think, on Saturday evening, see the rain just spreading a little further north, and that's going to be a feature of Sunday's weather. So still this line of rain, and another one could join in across the southwest. So again, just something we need to keep an eye on through the weekend, with further pulses of heavy rain. It may well turn brighter by Sunday afternoon across the southwest. Some uncertainty about the details on that, so keep up to date with the forecast. But again, just the Northern Isles staying fine and dry. Yes, fairly breezy, but with some sunny spells lasting here. Elsewhere, with more cloud and rain across the northeast, Caithness and Sutherland, it won't be as warm, but we could still again get over 20 Celsius when the sun does pop out. Staying fairly showery with some heavy downpours as we head into next week. Stay up to date throughout the weekend by following us across social media.